Hey friend, welcome to Coin Capital 2045. And in this video, you will find a lot of value because I do suspect that we are at the bottom of the bear market. And we will look through the charts to see and determine if Bitcoin is at the bottom. And as you know, the charts don't lie. Alright, so here I am on Bitcoin's chart. And as always, we look at the weekly chart. We like to zoom out to look at the big picture. So, and the big picture gives more weight. The weekly chart gives more weight than the daily or the hourly chart. So, one indicator that you always want to use is the RSI, and the RSI is very popular amongst investors and traders. So, when the RSI is low, it means that it's oversold, and that's when the smart money come in and accumulate. So, and when the RSI is overbought, when it's higher than 70, that means it's oversold, and that means, overbought. It's overbought. That means that the smart money dump their bag because the market's going to go crashing down. And as you can see right here, how RSI was an overbought, and then Bitcoin did a 62% dump, and you see how Bitcoin was on overbought territory for a long time. We're here at the 62K, and then it dumped. Let me see here, and then it dumped 52%. So the weekly RSI is a really good indicator if you're a long-term investor. So buy when the weekly RSI is low, close to the 30 line, and sell when it's above the 70 line. All right. So, and here's further proof that we are near the bottom of the market. Let me clean this up for you. So, remember back in 2018 on December, and for those who don't know, that was the brutal bear market when Bitcoin, it dumped from 19K to 6K, and people thought that was support, then dumped some more. And look at the RSI, it's near the 30 mark, right? So look at here when it crashed, when Bitcoin crashed during the coronavirus scare, and it was near the 30 mark, right? And now we're extremely close to the 30 mark. So I do suspect that we are at the bottom of the market, and yes, Bitcoin could have another leg down as a final capitulation candle, but I do suspect that we are at the bottom, more or less, right? And I wrote a bunch of time because of what I think will be the next bull market, which is in 2024. All right, so let's go to another chart, right? Let's go to the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and you can access this website on blockchaincenter.net. So here's a logarithmic scale on for Bitcoin, and it's a rainbow chart. So when it's near the red territory and the orange, it's when you should be selling. See, it says sell, and then when it's near the blue territory or green, you should be buying. And Bitcoin has been fitting on this curve for the past since 2013. So right now we are near the green and the blue, and it's time to buy according to this chart, right? So the price is 31K, which is the green line, and then the blue line would be 26 and 20. So if we do dump like extremely low, then I would suspect that 26K and 20K would be an extremely good buy if it goes down there as a final capitulation candle. Another cool thing about this chart is that you see the halving. So Bitcoin reward block halves every 4 years. So what usually happens when Bitcoin becomes more scarce, around like 6 months afterwards, the halving is when the big bull run happens. So see how here how the next halving is around 2024, and I do suspect that it's 6 months after the halving that we'll have the next mega bull run. So right now is a fantastic time to accumulate, and for those who are investing, you just need to have patience to invest and to dollar cost average buy for your favorite altcoins for next bull run. And then of course, this is not financial advice, it's just what I'm doing. And then another chart called the alt season index shows you when you should be accumulating altcoins. So there's enough data points on this chart. So if you look back, in December 2020, right? December 2020. So December 2020, right here, was like the start of the bull run. Okay, December, like we're here when we had the mega bull run. So you see how on this chart it was low. It was telling you to accumulate. And for those who don't know, when the chart is on Bitcoin season, when the line is below right here on Bitcoin season, it's a good time to accumulate altcoins. And when it's altcoin season, when it's above right here, this line right here, then it's time to sell your bags. What usually happens in the market is that when Bitcoin, when the line's down here, it's when the media starts to FUD. They start to spread fear and doubt, uncertainty and doubt, and say how Bitcoin is a scam, altcoins is a scam, how people are losing money. And when the line goes up here, it's when the media starts shilling and telling people to buy. They say, oh, how celebrities are buying NFTs, how Dodge is going to the moon. So when the media likes to spread fear, it's time to buy. And when the media spreads good news, it's time to sell. Always do the opposite of what the media is saying. So, all right. So the Bitcoin rainbow chart is signaling strong buy. Of course, you don't have to buy everything right now. It's like a dollar cost average buy if it goes lower. And the alt season index chart is saying to buy your favorite altcoins because it's hovering below over here. And there's enough data points to say that yes, it's a good time to buy altcoins. All right. Okay, and then I want to answer the final question. It's when is the next bull run? And like I have said earlier, the next bull run is usually at the next halving. So next halving is around April 29th, 2024. And what usually happens during the next halving is that 6 months after the halving is when Bitcoin starts pumping. See, halving over here, then Bitcoin starts pumping. And then halving, then Bitcoin starts pumping. Then halving, Bitcoin starts pumping. So if you're patient enough and you accumulate altcoins really cheap here, accumulate. And when it's halving, Bitcoin pumps, altcoins pump, and then you make your 10x, 50x, 100x, 1000x, and that's where generational wealth is created. It's not created during the bull market. It's created during the bear market when you're accumulating. All right. Okay, friend. And I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. I do think that we're bottomish. If we're going down lower, yes, we can go down lower, but right now we're just splitting here. It's pretty bottomish. Anyways, friend, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to become a smart investor, I have a concise trading course that you can watch on YouTube, so you learn how to trade with confidence. And I do have a private premium Telegram channel where I make weekly market updates, and I give you my thoughts on the market, what coins to buy, what coins to sell, when to sell, and my overall strategy when it comes to investing in crypto. And also in the group, you can ask me any questions you would like, and I always give an in-depth answers to your questions. So yeah, if you would like to join, feel free to message me on Telegram. It's in the video description. And thank you so much for watching.